What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already met me, my name is Chris. I'm going to be whipping up some tacos today because it's Taco Tuesday. Let's go. What I'm going to be making today is going to be beef tacos. I got two nice bone-in ribeyes right here. I'm going to season those up with a little bit of oil, a little bit of grill mates. I got my tortillas. If they ain't Guerrero, you ain't doing it. Then I got a few things right here. I got tomato, onion, habanero, and some garlic. This stuff, I'm gonna put this thing together. As soon as I'm grilling that, I'm gonna toss that up in the grill so that it cooks it up, and I'm gonna make a salsa. Then over here, I'm gonna do some avocado, guacamole. I got all the ingredients for the guacamole. I'm gonna put a jalapeno on this one. All this is gonna be fresh, and then we'll do our regular seasoning, garlic, salt, pepper, stuff like that. But as soon as I get to all that, I'll show you guys. Let's go. That should burn. Alright, now that we finished up the guacamole and we got our ingredients for the salsa ready, we're going to put them in the foil. Again, that was garlic, tomato, onion, and the habanero. Whoa, where are you going? Like I said, that's going to go in the grill with these monsters here. What we're going to do with these is we're going to put some oil. Or I should probably just do it in there. Fine. Bada bing, bada boom. A little bit of oil. A little bit of grill mates. A little bit looks like a lot. Handy dandy glove. And do the same thing for the other side. Boom. So now we're ready to go to the grill. salsa steaks. Let's shoot it. Let's go. Alright, so like I said, for the salsa, place that sucker right there. We're gonna let that go for a good like 5 minutes real quick. Cover it up. Now that they're all grilled up, you're gonna let them rest before we start chopping them up. Alright, so now that the steaks are resting, guacamole is done. Gotta check out the salsa. Let's see, with this one. Throw all this in here. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And half a cup of water. Smells spicy. Got yourself some salsa. Let's go. Now that your salsa is ready, now you're gonna start chopping up this steak. Look at that. Alright, now that you got your meat all diced up, you got your guacamole, your salsa. Grab some tortillas. Grab a little bit of this steak. Oof. A little bit of that guac. Ooh, spilling, spilling. Careful with the Habanero one because it's a little spicy. You guys are not ready for this because I'm not even ready for this. Fire. You guys gotta try this. Super easy recipe. Takes you away from the regular carne asada. When you do a steak, it's just that much better. Let me know if you guys try it. Comment down below. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Damn, I think I got stuff all over my mouth. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Let's go.